Hello, little alphabet explorers. This is your friend Sassy, again of Kids Wonder Hub. Welcome to our letter A adventure. Today, we're diving into the magical world of the letter A. Are you ready? Yeah! Okay, let's meet the astronaut. They zoom through the cosmos and explore distant planets. Astronaut starts with the letter A. Can you say it with me? Okay, let's spell it together. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T, astronaut. Next up is the artist. He creates masterpieces with vibrant colors. Artist begins with the letter A. Let's spell it together. A-R-T-I-S-T, artist. Hey, look at Amelia the acrobat. She flips, tumbles, and balances on tightropes. Acrobat starts with the letter A. Say it loud. A-C-R-O-B-A-T, acrobat. Bravo! You're an alphabet superstars. Here's Aaron the animal whisperer. He talks to lions, pandas, and even squirrels. Animal begins with the letter A. Let's spell it like pros. Are you ready? A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Good job, kids. You're rocking the alphabet like a pro. Last but not least, say hello to Ava the adventurer. She hunts for hidden treasures in jungles and caves. Adventurer starts with the letter A. Let's spell it together. Are you ready? A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E-R, adventurer. And that's a wrap. My little alphabet adventurers, thank you for joining us on this magical journey through the letter A. Remember, every word, every adventure, and every dream begins with a simple A. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shining bright. Until next time, my little word wizards. And this is your friend Sassy in Kids Wonder Hub. Stay curious, stay awesome, and keep spelling those letter A words. Bye-bye.